Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use YouTube homepage topic advanced search filters. So simply go and open YouTube app. Then as you can see, menu bar at the top with several topics. This homepage topic filters. This filter are based on previous viewing activity, so they should reflect the topics you are interested in. If you tap on one of these filters, only videos that fall under that topic category will appear on your home screen. Now, if you want to get back to the unfiltered, tap on all. So that's all here. Now, the second part of this video, advanced search filters. When you search for videos and other content on YouTube, you can refine your search by using filters. How that? All you need to do, tap on search icon, then enter a search term. After the result appear, tap on these three lines at the bottom. Here, as you can see, you can select the filter that you want to add to your search, like store by, tube, upload date, duration. You can choose what you want. Then tap on apply. That's all. I hope this is useful and thank you for watching.